Hello friends. I don't know what's going on in my life. Okay, I have been trying to learn English for many years, but I can't speak. I learn a lot of words, grammars and rules, but even now I can't speak English like other speaker. Okay, I'm working very hard to learn English, but I failed and realize I won't speak English fluently like other speaker because I know myself. Okay, I'm telling you honestly, the main problem is that I know English and grammars, vocabulary, anything else. Okay, but when I try to speak, I get stuck. Okay, I get stuck. So this is not a one-time problem. It's a long-term problem. Okay? But I speak English little. But when I try to speak clearly and quickly, that time when my mind stop, stop. I don't know why I can't speak fluently. I feel very bad about my life. Why I can't speak like other speaker, like other native speaker. But I understand if I give up now, I won't speak English able in future. So because I know one day, one day I will be able to speak English like other speakers. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you honestly, learn English slowly. Okay, speak English for just 10 minutes a day. Okay, describe anything object placed in front of you, like a table, chair, your fan, your books. Okay, if you describe anything in English, you are able to speak English. But if you can't describe anything in English, you are not ready for speak English. So first of all, learn and grammar and the meaning of its words. Then speak and then the learn grammar and its rules. Like this is Rohan and his brother name is Raj. The second example is right uh, behind me. So in front of it beside me. This is a ceiling fan. Where we can see. This is a ceiling fan. Its color is white. Then we are turn on the switch. It give us air. We feel good. Okay, as you can see, and describe anything in English. Okay, then if you are describe anything in English, you can speak English. Okay, then learn. If you follow my method, you can see as your life. So English is improved. So use this my method and increase your knowledge. Then subscribe to my channel. We will see in our next video.